start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So, just a few little shopping bits. I don't really do hauls anymore. I really don't. But I've got a few bits and I thought I'll show you before I put them away. I've got a couple of bits from... I'll start with Amazon. These are stickers that I got off Amazon. There is some Halloween ones here. I did get them before Halloween. I just never used them. They were dirt cheap. Nails by Cammy's bought a pack of each as well. These are $5 a pack, guys. Can't remember how many you get. Let me have a look. 7. Right, the Halloween ones you get 9, and they're $4.99. So let's have a look. Look at these. They're rainbow. Yeah, 9 of these for £5. They're cool, aren't they? All rainbow colours. I like all these at the bottom. Spider webs, bats, moons, pumpkins, skull. There's a little bit of everything on that one, isn't there? Cool. These will keep for next year. This one, this is a cool one. I like these bones. Spiders. Oh, I like this one. Trick or treat. Look at the little dancing men. Love that. I love this at the bottom. Again, it's all rainbow. I love these little dancing men. They're cool, aren't they? This one, this is cool. Oh, look at him. Haunted house, ghosts. Look at all the bats. Faces. Love this one. So, that's the rainbow coloured ones. And then you also get them, same again, but in black. So, they're exactly the same, but in black. So, you've got all these little dancing men again in black. Cool, aren't they? So, yeah, same again, black. And then you get same again in silver. I think I personally would have preferred same again in white instead of silver. But that's just personal. Oh, these are not silver, they're hollow. Can you see? They're the holographic. See them better in the bigger ones, like this haunted house. They're like a shattered kind of hollow. Alright, okay. I see you. They're cool, aren't they? I love them. So yeah, you get 3 of each. The rainbow ones and the black ones are my favourite. So they're only a £5. And then, these Christmas ones, these were a £5 as well. These are a similar thing. You get red and green. One. Let me just move these. You get red and green. I'm going to need a perfect white background, aren't I? Let's just use this. Yeah, so you get it in the red. Can you see? And you get it the same again in the green. And these are like metallic, but they've got that kind of texture in them. Can you see? These are cool, aren't they? Got little acorns and love hearts. And then, yeah, you get the same again in the green. Wow, look at these. These are so cool. Right, so I'm wrong. You get them in the gold. These are like a champagne gold. Very, very pale gold. So you get them in the red, the green and the gold. Aren't they cool? Yeah, you get 18 in this Christmas pack. 18, wow. So let's have a look what else we got. So again, we've got these ones in the green. They're all snowflakes and stuff. These are so nice. So then we've got them in the red as well. Love these, and the champagne kind of gold. They're beautiful, aren't they? I like them a lot. Then we've got these. I like these ones. Ice and snow. What does that say? Channel Santa's sleigh. Ornamental. These are cool. So yeah, we've got that in the champagne gold as well, and the red. Look at this, so smart. You could even use this frame as striping tape. Cut it up, couldn't you? And then next we've got these ones. More snowflakes, snowmen, baubles. And then we've got them in the champagne and the red. And then these ones, we've got reindeers, big ones, small ones. I don't know what that anchor's for. And the arrows. These are cute. The red and the champagne gold. And then lastly for the Christmas ones is this one. So this is all snowflakes. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? Reindeers. I like this one. Like the reindeer's head. I really like that one. The gold and the red. So that's the Halloween and Christmas stickers. Right, where did I get all these stickers from? Right, these were all off, I think AliExpress. So I got a pack of these. These are like the evil eye stickers. I've really wanted some of these for a while. And I got the colourful different ones as well. They're cool, aren't they? I like them. Right, then I got some gold snowflakes. I don't have a lot of... I've got some blue snowflake stickers and that's all I had. So I went on a mission for snowflake stickers. I like these little gold snow dots as well. They're cool. And these are like all ombre. They're going to look beautiful on a pinky purple set, aren't they? We've got green ones as well. I like them. Then I got these are so sparkly and reflective. Yeah, they're like, you know, the reflective gels what you can get, but stickers. So they're flames. Got these 4 pointed stars. I love these. And these are gold. Super, super sparkly, aren't they? I really like them. And another thing I've always wanted to do is money nails. So I got these ones. All sorts on there. Mostly American dollars, aren't they? Type thing. You never really see the UK money, do you? It's always American dollars. I like them. And this one is more like casino nails, isn't it? With the cherries, the deck of cards. I don't know what the chain and the barbed wire is about. And the safety pins, they're really, really random. Look at the safety pins. But it's mostly these dollars, $100 bills I wanted them for. On that particular one. And then this one's probably my favourite. What are all these? Are these just different dollars? I don't know. I'm not clued up on US money. Yeah, I like this one. That's a good one. And lastly for the stickers, I got these. These are cool. So there's 3 different colours. So we've got the green ones with the flames. And then we've got the blue ones with the bubbles and the butterflies. Aren't these cute? And then we've got the pink ones with the flowers. I really like them. What else have we got? I got a couple of little gemmy bits. I got my caviar beads, but they are the wrong size. They're too big. I mean, I'll still use them, but I think these were being sold as 0.8 and I wanted 0.6. Yeah, I like my caviar beads one size smaller. So I got them. And I got these. Oh my gosh. Just Joe Nail Addicts recently sent me a couple of drippy hearts. And I loved them. And I've bought some, but these are so much smaller. These are tiny. I think it's a pack of 30, I think. 20 or 30. Let me show you. They are teeny weeny little drippy drip hearts, look. How small are they? Tiny little drippy drip hearts. And these are rose gold colour. I think you can get them in gold, silver. And I got them in rose gold. I got some pink fuchsia chrome gems. These are glass as well. I thought they were plastic, but they're not, they're glass. And yeah, they're just chrome. They're not transparent. I love them. I love that it's got the teeny little dot ones in there as well. Might get some more of them. I can see me using them a lot. Cool. And I got some of these. I ordered a bag of mixed colours. These are from the Mocha collection that you can get. I ordered these in a mixed bag of 100. And I loved the white ones, so I've got these white ones in a bigger bag. It's got moons, stars, little balls, hearts, all sorts in there. This is a Mocha gem. This blue one. This is from the same collection, but in blue. I love them. They're really smart. I'll show you one more thing, because everything else is Amazon. This is the last thing from AliExpress. Surprise, surprise, I got some more glitters. I don't have a single collection. I've got a lot of fine glitters, but I don't have a collection of fine glitters. So I will leave up on the screen. No, not on the screen. I'll leave in the description box the link for these. So this is a collection of 12. I'm just going to flick through them quickly. Look at these. So that's like a yellowy, greeny. I love it. These two are very similar, but they are slightly different. Oh, I love these. Then we've got a couple of greens. I love this one. We've got a couple of greens. These are so sparkly. Then we've got a couple of pinks. They look identical on camera, but they are slightly different. This one's lighter. Oh my gosh, look at these. Do you know what I love as well? They're not hollow, they're not iridescent. They are just shiny, sparkly, metallic, plain colours, which I haven't got at all in my collection. We've got a beautiful red. It's like a burnt orangey kind of red, would you say? Oh my gosh. Purple. I love it. Love it. And then we've got a beautiful blue. Wow. And then a darker blue. These are 3 gram bags as well, guys. He started doing on the website 3 gram bags. It's all stuck to the bag, so it's hard to see. But there's actually a lot in there. You get more than enough. More than enough. That's like a royal blue. I love that. And look at this one. This is like champagne kind of gold. You can see better in this bag how much you get. There's plenty. It's like sparkly sand, isn't it, that one? That's a beautiful colour. I don't have anything like that in my collection. I really, really like that. But anyway, guys, that is it for today. Look at them colours. I love them. Yeah, I'm going to leave it there. That is it for today. I'll leave all links to everything below. If I miss anything, just ask me. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.